Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. I've seen a lot of body glow oils out there in the market, and it's quite a lot in these days, but they are very expensive to buy. So today I'm going to be making something really interesting. I'm going to be making a basic body glow oil, which any one of y'all can make with a blend of oils and a little bit of shimmer to give that excellent glow to your skin. As I always do, the basic formulation will be shared in the description box for beginners who would like to give this a try. For more advanced formulations, y'all can WhatsApp me on the number that's given in the description box for my workshop details. We cover all advanced formulations there, and also those of y'all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that so that you get the notification of all my new upcoming videos. So we'll quickly start with the making of this body glow oil. Now here I have taken a blend of oils. I have taken some almond oil, I have taken my emollient caprylic triglycerides, I have taken some extra virgin coconut oil, and I have taken some very highly conditioning squalene oil. So these are my blend of oils. You can change it to any other oil of your choice, but you have to make sure it's a lightweight oil so that the glow oil doesn't feel heavy or greasy on your skin. Okay, so now we'll start with combining all the oils one by one in our container, and we'll give this a good mix. Now here I'm going ahead and adding my almond oil, and here I have my caprylic triglycerides. Also I have taken some polysorbate 80 with this as my emulsifying agent so that it nicely blends in the skin. Here I have my other emollients and oils, and here I have my squalene oil. So I have gone ahead and combined all my oils together, and we'll give it a very good mix. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed all the oils together nicely, and here we have our solution. Now in this I'm going to go ahead and add my shimmer particles. This is what is going to give an excellent glow on the skin when it's applied. Now this can be applied on the hands, legs, body, and it's absolutely lightweight because of all the oils that we have added are very lightweight oils and emollients. Now I have added gold shimmer. You can go ahead and add any color, bronze, pearl, whatever you have available as per your liking. We'll mix this, and I'm just going to add 2 to 3 drops of fragrance to this, just to get a very nice fragrance when it's applied on the body. So we've gone ahead and nicely mixed all this in, and this is our lovely shimmer body oil. Now on application it leaves an excellent shine on the skin. You just have to apply and leave. It gives a beautiful glow on your skin. It hydrates, moisturizes the skin, and absolutely non-greasy. After applying within 5 minutes, everything will get well absorbed in the skin, and only a nice glow and shine will be left behind. You all can see this lovely glaze and shine on the skin. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such formulations, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.